How to get money off Netspend account without a card. If you need to access funds from your Netspend account without your physical card, there are a few options available for you. 1. Use the Netspend mobile application. If you have the Netspend mobile application installed in your smartphone, you have to set up your account first, then log in and initiate transactions such as transferring money to another account. You can transfer your money to your friends or family and ask them to withdraw the cash money. You can perform this through your web browser as well. Second is to request a check. You can request a check to be sent to you from your Netspend account balance. This can typically be done through the mobile application, website, or by contacting your customer service. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with these options, and this will also take some time for the check to arrive by mail. Third option is to visit a Netspend Reload location. Some retailers and financial services centers participate in the Netspend Reload network. It may allow you to withdraw cash from your Netspend account. You may need to provide identification and account information to complete the transaction. Final option is to contact your customer service. If none of the above options work for you or if you need assistance, you can contact Netspend customer service for further guidance on accessing your funds without your card. Remember to always prioritize security when accessing your funds, especially when you're doing without your physical card. Keep your login credentials and personal information secure to prevent unauthorized access to your card. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.